most recent visit to Skagway included some walking around the town, and we saw some amazing sights from beautiful foliage to the trading company, the restrooms right off of the port, and the visitor center, which is where you can get some valuable information. There's some great photo opportunities everywhere you turn. The train store would even make Sheldon Cooper jealous. Oh my goodness, they had all kinds of things. There's photo opportunities everywhere you turn. Look at that. What a great opportunity. It reminds me of the movie Balto. They have some good advice. They had lists that were there of what you should bring if you're going to go to the Klondike panning for gold. Then they had protective rock slide covers. And there's the Corrington Museum of Alaskan History that you can walk through absolutely free of charge. They have some fossilized mammoth tusks. They have some that are carved, some that are in their natural state. Wherever you go, bring your binoculars because you just don't know what you'll run into. They do have scooter rentals available right there in Skagway if you didn't bring your own. And no matter how tempted you are, do not bring that back to the ship. They have great Alaskan fry bread. The brewing company, there are tours of the brewing company, and you might want to consider buying some Alaskan honey. It's truly delicious. Our favorite local recommended this fish fry. It was great. Now, there's a lot of signs around that have some good humor, adult humor, like the Morning Wood wrecked it in 2006. There's so many subtle jokes. Gold digger. You can go to the Rock Walk of Fame. All you have to do is follow the signs. As promised, the Rock Wall of Fame. And then there's Back Alley Gold Panning. Another photo opportunity right around the corner. You can feel the gold rush with a really old building. And this museum is absolutely free to get into. You'll find things like fossilized mammoth tusk to walrus tusk, Indian artifacts, Eskimo artifacts, native artwork, pottery. There's Civil War artifacts. A little doll that was made from whalebone. So when are you going to visit Alaska? Reindeer hide. More tusks. Those are from walrus and whale bones. I didn't want to interrupt the lady. I did have permission to be videoing in this museum, which I thought was quite nice of them. There were just tons of walrus tusk and mammoth tusks. There's some information about the Alaskan Civil War and beautiful murals, buffalo horns and walrus tusk. When are you going to visit Alaska? We know you'll love it. Smash that subscribe button for us.